Hello, bonjour, hola, namaste, welcome back to my channel Nomadic Manav. Hope you guys are doing absolutely well. Today's vlog is all about unboxing the GoPro Hero 6, the head mount and the mini tripod of it. So let's do it. So thank you so much Alan for being a great influencer. Two GoPro stickers, manual, Type-C USB charger, the battery, two holders, and finally the GoPro, the device. So we have a HDMI port and charging point battery slot. You talk about stabilization, you talk about how compact it is, 19 megapixel, 4K recording with 60 frames per second. It can go up to 33 feet underwater. With all the good things, we have some things which needs to be improved, which is the mic of it. If you want really a clear audio in your GoPro, you need to hold it very near and talk to that. Not like my Canon G7X, like I talk with this far distance, then also my voice will come clear. So now we'll be unboxing the head strap, which is this. So this is the head mount. Generally we use it like riding a motorcycle. If you're not wearing a helmet, you have a helmet mount which is a different one. You can use it like day-to-day life, whenever you want to vlog, whenever you want to capture something which actually you are doing it. So this is the best thing to have with the GoPro. GoPro is only made for using videos. It has a feature of taking photos. Next is the mini tripod. So how much did I purchase the GoPro Hero 6 Black for? So $440 US, especially when you buy electronics from Middle East. There are no taxes. This is the most beneficial thing. You get the US product, you buy it in Qatar, it's cheaper than US because there are taxes over there. So it's better to buy in the Middle East. The mini tripod I got for around $43. And the head strap which I use, that is around 1,500 Indian rupees. So this was my shopping of the day and I am really happy. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button down there, subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to share the video. As always, thank you, merci, gracias, dhanyavad. Catch you soon with yet another exciting destination. Till that time, bye bye, and hope to have a really nice vlog with the GoPro and the Canon G7X. Bye.